Well, have I got a fantastic bungalow to share with you today. A 2-bedroom semi-detached bungalow with a fantastic garden in a very convenient location. Let's head in and I'll show you around. The great thing about this home is the kitchen is in really good order. You've got your gas cooker here and you've got fantastic views over this garden. So one thing you'll notice is how bright and airy this lounge is, overlooking the garden, and obviously got that handy lean-to there too for some extra storage. So let's talk about this location. Asda is on your doorstep, you've got takeaways, coffee shops also, and then the Harvester and the wonderful Prospect Park for your daily walks too. So as you enter the property, you are welcomed by this spacious entrance hall. To the right, you have a 2nd bedroom, perfect for a guest room. To the left, family bathroom in good condition, and then moving through to the main bedroom where you've got built-in wardrobes all on one side for ample storage and a big window for lots of natural light. So there's much to love about this bungalow, I'm sure you'll agree. If you want to see it, do get in touch with the team quickly at the office, or you can catch us on our WhatsApp number right here, and I can't wait personally to show you around. Take care, we'll see you soon.